The 1958 Plymouth Tornado is a striking example of how the jet age influenced automotive design in the mid-20th century. Built on the chassis of a 1958 Plymouth Fury, this concept car was a bold attempt to capture the futuristic spirit of the era. Its design was heavily inspired by aerospace technology, featuring a large tailwing, rocket-like exhaust, and an aircraft-style nose. The Tornado was first unveiled at auto shows in 1958, where it was displayed alongside a Redstone missile, further emphasizing its space-age aesthetic. The car's original gray paint and chrome details added to its futuristic appeal, though some design elements, like the chrome surrounds on the doors, remained divisive. Under the hood, the Tornado was powered by a 290 horsepower, 318 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a push-button automatic transmission, a cutting-edge feature at the time. Despite its futuristic appearance, the Tornado's origins are somewhat murky. While it was built on a Plymouth Fury platform, there is skepticism about whether Plymouth had any direct involvement in its creation beyond providing the base vehicle. This ambiguity has fueled debates among automotive historians and collectors. The Tornado's journey after its debut is equally fascinating. In 1964, it won second place for radical custom design at the Sabres Auto Show in Denver and was featured in CarCraft magazine. However, its history becomes unclear until 1974, when a Utah-based sports figure purchased the car, registered it, and drove it for 2 years. After his death, the Tornado was left abandoned in a field for nearly 3 decades, exposed to the elements. By the early 2000s, it was in poor condition, with hornet nests in the seats and mice inhabiting the engine bay. In 2004, the Tornado was discovered by a neighbor who recognized its historical significance. It was sold to a Hollywood director and car enthusiast who attempted a restoration but ultimately decided to sell it. The car was then acquired by a dedicated collector who entrusted its restoration to Moses London, a renowned Chrysler Plymouth expert. London undertook a meticulous frame-off restoration using only original parts to preserve the car's authenticity. The Tornado was returned to its former glory with a few modern touches, such as a vibrant red paint job and aftermarket chrome wheels. Today, the Plymouth Tornado stands as a testament to the innovative spirit of the 1950s. Its unique design, blending automotive and aerospace influences, makes it a prized piece of automotive history. For collectors and enthusiasts, the Tornado represents not just a car, but a symbol of an era when the future seemed limitless.